To uninstall application in Windows 10 Home, open Settings, click or tap Set Menu icon, and then click or tap Settings icon. Select Apps, and then on Sort Filter by Drive. If you would like to uninstall or remove an app, select it from the list. Select app you want, the application you want to uninstall. You can sort by sys, name or install date. For example, Samsung Tech. Tap application you want to uninstall and then select uninstall. This app and its related info will be uninstalled. Tap or click uninstall if you sure. Do you want to allow this app to make change to your device? Click or tap yes. Then uninstall. Okay, next. Wait process until complete. Samsung Tech uninstall complete. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.